Quite a few of you that are actually moving here to France are actually thinking about possibly setting yourself up as an estate agent. After all, long alfresco lunches at the expenses of the client just for showing them around a few houses can't be that hard, can it? A sort of escape to the chateau meets a place in the sun. Well, unfortunately, I've got some news for you. It's not that easy. In France, estate agents are considered professionals, just like solicitors or attorneys. And so to operate, they actually need a state licence. Whether you're acting as a buyer's agent or a seller's agent, or in most cases here in France, a bit of a combination of the two, you will need a licence from the state allowing you to do real estate. You need one of the following three things. Either what we call a bac plus trois, which is actual baccalaureate exam plus 3 years further studies in either economics, law or real estate. The other option is to accumulate 10 years working as a salaried negotiator in an estate agency. And the third option is to accumulate 4 years experience, but as an actual manager of an estate agency. You also need professional liability insurance, along with a French business structure officially registered here, and not forgetting a clean police record in France as well as your country of origin. But that's where the fun starts, because in France, to get the licence, you need the registered company and the insurance. To get the insurance, you need the registered company and the licence. And you've guessed it, the registered company as an estate agency, you'll need the licence and the insurance. So it's a bit of a rite of initiation how you manage to actually sort that one out, but it is feasible, certainly. But before you start saying, yes, I can sort that one out, there is a fourth criteria, which is very important, and there's no way around it. You have to be a European national. If you're American or English, if you keep that nationality, unfortunately, you cannot get a licence as an estate agent. There are other options, however, open to you. There is the option, if you're lucky enough, to get the job as a salaried negotiator in an existing estate agency. In general, the agencies offer you a minimum salary, which was called the SMIC over here, roughly about €1,400, and a small commission on each sale. The main problem being with that is most agencies will be looking for someone with a bac plus 3, don't ask me why, and also fluent in French. So, unfortunately, not open to everyone. The other option is mandataire immobilier. This is probably the easiest job to get if you want to work in real estate in France, because there's plenty of actual, what we call réseau out there, and their actual business model is to sell advertising packages to their agents. So if you're willing to pay for their packaging, they will take you on. Commission-wise, some of them will offer you up to 95% of the commission on sales. Me personally, when they're offering that much, I don't see how you can actually make a living unless they're actually making money off you for the advertising. Yes, they do advertise 90-95% commission, but most of the time you'll be starting around the 60% mark and having to work your way up with your sales over the actual year. And the monthly cost for doing all this, it can be anywhere from 100 to 500 euros a month, depending on the packages you choose. The other option is a commercial agent. Legally speaking, they have the same status as a mandataire, but the difference being where a mandataire pays their monthly fee or they're out, the commercial agent, in my eyes certainly, does not pay a monthly fee. The agency pays their advertising, pays their visiting cards, pays for the for sale signs, etc., etc. And in return, the actual commercial agent gets a commission on the sales. Normally speaking, commercial agents in France, the average commission is somewhere between 45 and 60%. Some of the so-called English agencies are offering even less to their agents. Whether you actually get a salaried contract or a commission-based one, the actual job is pretty well the same though. And unfortunately, it's not all chilled wine and weekend golf parties. In fact, in France, to work as an estate agent, you have to be pretty well a one-man band. Obviously, you do property appraisals, you need to be able to do the write-up for the properties, the advertising, the photography even. In France, the real estate photographer is a rare beast and usually reserved to the top-end agencies, so to speak. And for many years, obviously, people skills were very important in this job. If we add to that one now, the actual social media skills, how good are you at social media? Very important these days for real estate. It's a job where you need to work long days and do the hours, but it can be not just financially fulfilling, it can be morally fulfilling as well. When you manage to pair the right client with the right vendor for the right house and at the right price, and everyone's happy. So, if you are still thinking about working in real estate in France and like the idea of joining a friendly bilingual team of agents, well, you could do worse than actually checking out Agence Newton. We are currently recruiting over all the popular areas of France and can offer you a commission rate of up to 70% on all your sales. So just click on the QR code on the screen or check out the link up above there or the link in the description. 3 different ways to get there. And hopefully I'll speak to you personally very soon. And even if you're not looking for a job in real estate and you found this video helpful, don't forget the like, subscribe and bell buttons down there for me. See you soon. Bye.